That's wild. It literally feels like a hurricane wind when you put your window. You're all right. Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description.
That's an awesome demo right there.
That's the goal.
Wow.
You know, everybody likes it, and I don't have to replace shit every fucking day. Besides the door.
Yeah, the door's taking it.
I've got 5 of them sitting at the house, so we're ready to do another one.
Gosh.
Yeah, not with that though.
That's wild. It literally feels like a hurricane wind when you put your window. You're all right there. Dude, you've done some work on. Did you build this and do all the install on the subs?
Raw Customs did.
Raw Customs. Really good job, Raw Customs. Wow. So is this? It's out without counting. How many subs are in here?
That's 24 XT312s.
XT3. Are you on like Crossfire amps too in the back?
Yeah. XT8Ks. 6 of them.
Whoa. Is it okay? So you're a 12 volt or 14 volt system?
So you have 14 volts, but
Man.
charge of 15.
That is awesome. I haven't felt my face like that. It was ripping my face apart. Wow.
Since the last time we've seen it?
It is brutal. Yeah, man.
It's been a while since we've seen it.
He's got a lot of cone area too. And it's a 6th order in the back, the port.
Yes.
Awesome.
Mike, right? Mike?
Yeah, buddy.
Mike.
Thank you, man.
Hey, I really appreciate it. This is the Windy Suburban.
Windy City Bourbon.
You on TikTok or anything you want to say?
Yeah, Windy City Bourbon.
Windy City Bourbon on TikTok and all. All right. What's going on, everyone? This is Jacob Vile. I hope you enjoyed the full walker we just got of Mike's system. This is an insane demo today. Y'all got to stay tuned for. I'm really looking forward to showing y'all how it sounds. If you haven't already, I recommend also watching his previous system video that I've made a couple years ago where he had all Wolfram equipment and now he has all Crossfire equipment, and that was the thumbnail at the time. So definitely check that out in the description. This was at the Savannah Seaport show in Savannah, Georgia of 2022 when I got the video of this. His system name is the Windy City Suburban. So go ahead and comment if you haven't already. Let him know what you think about his system. An insane demo, definitely a one-of-the-kind, fitting 24 of these 12-inch subwoofers. The Crossfire XT3 line. He's running 6 amplifiers as well in the back, as I was showing y'all. Definitely only count 4 of the amplifiers were actually staged on the amp rack, but the other 2 amplifiers are mounted on the back side of the panel of the enclosure. You can't really see it. They did a really good job from Raw Customs on building this enclosure into the Suburban, not just a slide-in box. So did a really great job, and having that nice green cosmetic look with the bracings to make sure the box doesn't flex. So much pressure is coming out of this. You're going to see my wife get a hair trick where I could tell you that her hair was flying up like it looked like a blower was blowing it, but it was definitely from the system. So this is a 6th order enclosure. You can't really see it from the visual, but there is a port at the very back of all of these subwoofer layouts inverted where there is an enclosure underneath of these subs. So these subwoofers are inverted in a ported chamber, and there's another ported chamber underneath, making this like a 1-to-1 ratio 6th order. So let's go ahead and get to the demo now. If you haven't already, subscribe for daily cardio videos, and I hope you enjoy this windy demo from Windy City Suburban.
They don't like
like me, I got J's. For the love, and I keep birds with me like a straight alley bro.
Jeez.
That's the fucking 20 rich kids, you know what I'm saying?
My gosh.
Yeah, not with that though. No, what?
Thank you very much for the demo, man.
Yeah, absolutely, man.
Mike, right, Mike?
Yeah, buddy.
Mike.
Thank you, man.
Hey, I really appreciate it. This is the Windy Suburban.
Windy City Bourbon.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you, channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you, everybody, for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOVILE when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see you all in the next one.